What's up guys, Matt here with Matco Mafia. Thanks again for watching another video, and unfortunately I had different plans. I was hoping to do a little interview with Donnie there on site. He is a GC, very good friend of mine, and he tries to get us to do all the steel work, any of his buildings that he does, mostly residential, high-end residential. Most of his homes are well over $500,000. And right now he's currently got 5 going on, sitting on about $2 to $2.5 million worth of property. And that one there, the owner has actually had that property for about 5 years, and it took them a long time to find it. They sat on it for 5 years, and then they just started construction. So they actually got a really good deal on that. They've been offered a lot of money for that property. They got about 3 acres on that lake, and they're just not selling that stuff anymore. The ones that have it are holding on to it. It's really hard to get your hands on that stuff. So property is crazy around here in North Carolina, but anyway, so we managed to get those put up today. We've got 3 more to do. Probably next week I'll do a separate video on those. The ones we did today, as you can see, we're over the garage, and that's going to allow that to be a free span garage where there'll be no posts supporting anything. They'll take those W18 beams we put holes and stuff in, set those as you saw, and they'll put 2x12s on both sides, through bolt those, and then they'll attach the roof joist to those. So pretty cool little project. I'll try to update maybe on some social media or something once they get some of that stuff put in and put some pictures on, or maybe just do a video. They might have some of that done the next week or two when we do the next beams, which are W10 beams around the front frame of the back porch of the house. And just a beautiful, beautiful home. I think upstairs finished 3,600 and then about 2,500 downstairs. And just absolutely beautiful, beautiful view, and just a beautiful place. But was really hoping to get a few words with Donnie on here, and just we were coming in hot, and it was just, truck was there with the beams who hauled them for us. The crane, the boom truck crane was there, and we just couldn't get anything done. My drone crashed, I broke it, so I got to send it off, and I did manage to get a few clips with it you saw, but like I said, just things were crazy. The way my weeks have been going here lately, so it is what it is. You just have to roll with the punches. But just want to say thank you to you guys for watching. We are humbled by 4,000 subscribers, just hit 4,100 I think, and just truly humbled by that. That's, to some it's not a lot, but to me that's 4,000 people that didn't know who we were, and may not have known the things we're putting out to help you guys as far as metal work and so forth, and you'll see a few other things here and there. So we just want to say we're humbled, we're grateful, and from our family to yours, just want to say happy Thanksgiving. Hope everyone is going to enjoy time with family and friends, and sit down and just be thankful for the things that God has blessed you with. So hope you guys have an awesome day. We'll see you on the next video.